Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make this one-pan teriyaki chicken and rice. This one-pan teriyaki chicken and rice is a recipe that my son really loves. You have chicken, broccoli, and rice all cooking together in an incredibly tasty, sweet and savory sauce. It's so simple, yet so satisfying. So let's get started. To begin, I have 1.5 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken breast that I'm cutting into thin slices. If you prefer, you could also use chicken thighs instead of chicken breasts. Don't mind my little guy peeking over to see what's for lunch. He's been actually very good at entertaining himself while I film these videos. Well, I do have to give thanks to Cocomelon, Spider-Man, and Sesame Street. And now I'm cutting the slices into bite-sized pieces, which is about this size. Now I have 1 large head of broccoli, which will yield to about 4 to 5 cups of broccoli florets. The best way to cut it is just to cut the core off and then slice the broccoli into small florets. I really love how the broccoli gives some texture and some nice crunch, plus you're getting your veggies in. If by the end of this video you've enjoyed it, all I request is that you like and subscribe, and I would definitely appreciate it. I have my pan heated over medium-high heat, and I'm going to add some oil. And I've added the chicken to the pan, and we're going to cook this down for about 3 to 4 minutes. I've also sprinkled it with some black pepper, but I didn't add any salt since there's plenty of salt in the teriyaki sauce. Speaking of teriyaki sauce, this is the one I use, and it's Kikkoman's Teriyaki Marinade and Sauce. I know I have a huge container of it, but you can purchase a smaller bottle at the grocery store. And I'm going to add in about 3/4 of a cup. And this is kind of like my shortcut way of making teriyaki sauce. I'm also going to add in 1/3 cup of brown sugar. My mom is the one that introduced me to Kikkoman's teriyaki sauce. She actually uses it to marinate ribeye steaks, and oh my gosh, it comes out so tasty and tender. Now I'm going to add in 2 1/4 cups of water, along with 1.5 cups of jasmine rice that I rinsed earlier. And I'm going to stir everything together. Also, don't forget to watch until the end to see my son's reaction to the taste test. I am really loving these quick and easy one-pan meals. My son is back in school, baseball season started, so the days go by really fast. I've brought everything to a boil, and then I'm gonna lower the heat to medium-low, cover and let simmer for about 17 minutes. And 17 minutes has passed, and it's already looking so good. I'm just giving everything a nice mix, and then we're going to stir in the broccoli. So in goes the broccoli. You have your veggies, your protein, and your carbs all in one pan. This is really just an incredibly tasty meal with very minimal ingredients. I'm going to cover it again and let it cook for another 5 minutes. I'm going to uncover it again and give it a stir so that the broccoli is evenly cooked and steamed. Also, the great thing about this meal is that I only have to clean up 1 pan since the sides are included in this recipe. All right, I'm going to cover and cook this for another 2 to 3 minutes until the broccoli is slightly tender but still has a nice bite to it. I've just tasted the broccoli and it's nice and perfect, and we're ready to eat. If you guys want the full written recipe, I posted it in the description below if you want to check that out. When my hubby had this for dinner, he said it was so satisfying that he ate 2 bowls of it. And I have to show you guys what I like to have with this meal, and it's sriracha. A couple squirts will do the trick, if you can find it. I know I had a hard time finding it at my local grocery stores, but my neighbor came to the rescue and found me a bottle. It just adds a hint of spiciness and flavor. I have the perfect bite right here. The meat is nice and tender, the rice is just so flavorful, and the broccoli just adds that nice crunch. All right, just got home from school, and now Time to taste. Let's see how much he likes it. How is it? Delicious?
Wait, don't stop recording.
If you guys enjoyed this video and you want to see more simple and delicious recipes, please give me a like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification. I make cooking videos weekly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.
Hey, Lucky.
Want to say bye?
Yeah.
Say bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
See you in the next one.
See you next one.